If you've recently encountered security checks on your PlayStation account and need to restore full access, follow these steps to regain control. This guide will walk you through the necessary actions to ensure your account is secure and fully functional. Step 1. Verify your email address. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Reset your password. Go to the PlayStation login page and select the option to reset your password. Follow the prompts to create a new, strong password that you haven't used before. Step 3. Enable two-factor authentication. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings and enable two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring a verification code sent to your mobile device. Step 4. Review account activity. Check your account activity for any unauthorized transactions or changes. If you notice anything suspicious, report it to PlayStation support immediately. Step 5. Contact PlayStation support. If you are still unable to restore full access after following the previous steps, reach out to PlayStation support for assistance. Provide them with any relevant information to expedite the process. By following these steps, you should be able to restore full access to your PlayStation account and enhance its security. Always remember to keep your account information safe and monitor for any unusual activity.